Xiangkang Electronic, the third-generation LPG interlocking filling scale installation animation video. Overall packaging as shown. Scale weighing platform components. 1 meter and 1.5 meter gas pipe. 1 filling nozzle bracket. 1 scanner wire, 1 scanner shelf. 1 display. 1 the X-proof hose pipe G3/4, DN20, 25 mm. 1 X-proof hose pipe G1/2, DN15, 20 mm. 1 X-proof power box. 1 explosion-proof solenoid valve, 1 power cable. Hexagon wrenches, screws, gaskets and other accessories. Step 1. Adjustment of weighing platform. Lift the scale. Remove the 2 screws, which are protecting the sensor with hexagon wrench. Adjust the height balance of each support foot. Step 2. Install the support rod. Loosen the hoop screw. Pass the sensor wire through the end of the support rod. Pay attention to the direction of the support rod. The sensor wire end exposes the support rod. Loosen several screws. To open the support rod into the hoop, insert the support rod upright into the hoop. Tighten the previously loosened screws. Fix the support rod. Step 3. Install explosion-proof solenoid valve. Unscrew the 4 clamp screws with hexagon wrench. Place solenoid valve screw on. Adjust the overall height. Tighten the side screws with hexagon wrench. Step 4. Install explosion-proof power box. Remove the round head screws on the power box. Place the explosion-proof power box under the fixing plate. Tighten round head screws. Adjust the height of the power box. Tighten the side screws.